Hi, greetings to all the members of PleaseCom. My name is Shubham Patil, and I'm a mechanical engineer who graduated in 2019. When to talk about myself, I'm someone who's not really satisfied with what I've got, and I like to try new things. Uh, for example, being from the technical background, I've never really constrained myself to a single field. I've led marketing teams before. I was in charge of the entrepreneurship development cell, and this last lockdown, I really got this wonderful opportunity to organize India's first digital college fest with an NGO called Ishan Foundation. Apart from that, I've interned with JSW and Reliance Thermal Power Plant. Now, for the last 18 months, I've been very active in the stock markets, and for the last 6 months, I've been a full time trader. Apart from that, I really have a keen interest in football, politics, and movies, and I live and breathe football. Well, coming to strengths, I'm always firm with my decision, and I don't let the surroundings affect me. I like to try new thing. I like to step out of my comfort zone. Leadership skills. I think this is something which comes naturally to me. I have always led football teams. I've always led marketing teams in my college, and I think I'm very comfortable with it. I am a good communicator. I really have good relations with people, even after the work is done, and I'm very focused. And I just don't try new things for the sake of it. Weakness, well, yeah, I'm really harsh with myself. I really don't take appreciations really well because I think it's very formal to me. That creates a bit of dilemma in my head, and I tend to judge my work on the standards I've set. So, I really become sad at times. The other one would be I really overthink a lot. And because of that, it's really difficult for me to start new things on time. I get really late on starting new things. Though I'm trying to overcome this weakness of mine, and I think with the jam-packed schedule Bakoni has, I'll really stop overthinking, and I'll be really able to overcome this weakness. Whenever I start a work, I have this timeline where I need to complete a certain amount of work before a certain amount of time on any time frame. And if I'm not able to do that, I'm definitely awake at night. And being a trader, any overnight positional trade is a nightmare for me. I just can't sleep at night if I have a overnight positional trade. Well, to begin with, I really lack corporate exposure and corporate insights. So Placecom would be an ideal channel for me which will help me to bridge that gap. Along with that, I think it would really help me to have good connections with industry people and of course my batchmates. And for me, networking is the most important aspect of MBA. Along with that, MBA Placecom would give me a sense of responsibility, which I really strive for. And representing a school like Bakuni would be an honor. Why me? Uh, well, as I've mentioned throughout the video, I think I have the required skill set to be part of a Placecom team, and I think I'll be able to do the task which will be given to me. Now, I have some amount of exposure in sectors like heavy engineering, marketing, and now the financial markets. I know that's the bare minimum, and you'll be having candidates who will be having more experience than me. But I think when it comes to me, the spectrum of exposure will be wide and not deep. And with this, I think so I'll be able to give you at least some insights when I'm asked for. Well, I was told to select one from what my batchmates think about you because I missed the Zoom call. But I think so I can't do that. So I'll go with Saitya because she's the one who's been interacting the most with our batch. And I think so she has this clarity of thoughts and she knows how to get things done. Moreover, she'll tell you what you need to hear and not what you want to hear. I may be wrong, but it is what it is. And thank you a lot.